Hi, I'm Scott. I'm a sales executive with GCL. We're an LED manufacturer with our factory and headquarters based in Shenzhen, China. We've been doing this since 1999, and we also have an office and warehouse in Dallas, Texas, where we keep about 4,000 indoor and outdoor panels. Behind me, we have our GHALO 1.9 GOB. Comes in two panel sizes. It's a 750 by 250 millimeter and a 1,000 by 250 millimeter. They're front serviceable, very easy to install, lightweight. We also can cut the corner at 45-degree angles to make a 90-degree corner cut. And we also have the magnetic bezel over here for a clean look. As you can see as I take it off, and just slip it right back on. For more information, please reach out to us at www.gcled-usa.com.